Hey, hope everyone's having a great day. Sorry for this weird sun angle right here, but today's video is how much protein eating raw until dinner. So yesterday I had a day of eating where I was eating just raw until dinner time. So I'm going to show you exactly what I ate on this day, and stay tuned through the video because it's going to have the macro breakdown. I'll have the calories, fat, protein, and carbs that I had for the day added up. And on this day, I did a run. So my workout was a run. I had done a 3-mile run and I had gone pretty hard. The run was at 11 a.m., which is normally when I work out. And then I broke the fast yesterday at about 1 p.m. is when I had my first meal. So just like a normal day for me, I fast throughout the morning. I do intermittent fasting. I had a couple of liters of water, and then I had my first meal at 1 p.m. And I was just curious, eating raw till dinner, what the macro count would be. So I decided to add it all up, and here's what I had, and check it out. So I started off my first meal. It was just a little before 1 p.m. with a smoothie, and it had 3 dates, 6 ripe bananas, 2 cups of frozen mangoes, and 2 cups of coconut water. And technically, the coconut water wasn't raw, but that was the only thing that I had before dinner on this day that wasn't raw, was that coconut water. Because I'm not really getting good coconuts around where I live. So if I have coconut water, I just like to get the kind Trader Joe's or Costco or like something like that. But it's just one ingredient, coconut water. So this is a different smoothie. I hadn't made something like this in a little while. And it made 2 liters. It was pretty big. This thing was over 1,000 calories. So try this one out. Let me know what you think. There it is. Next up at 4 p.m., I put together a salad. It had a bunch of mixed greens. I had a cucumber, apple, avocado, and carrots. Then at 6 p.m., just before dinner, I had a sumo citrus and a navel orange. And then for dinner, I had some pasta marinara. It had a couple of small homemade meatballs in there. And I had a bowl of berries and a bowl of these popped corners. They're like baked chips. And this was at 7 p.m. and I weighed everything, so I know exactly the counts on everything. And then I had, for dessert, I had some Tropical Gold pineapple and then some of these semi-sweet Guittard chocolate chips. So the totals for the day was 3,362 calories, 570 grams of net carbs, 72 grams of fiber, 77 grams of fat, and 71 grams of protein. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out my plant-based recipe ebook I have in the description box with some great recipes. Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down. Subscribe for more. Leave me a comment. Let me know your thoughts. I hope you have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.